Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to find new pairs of meme coin on Solana chain in BullX. So whenever you create your account on BullX, the interface of BullX will look something like this. If you haven't created your account on BullX and you are stuck in the early access queue, then make sure you use the link that is given in the description to get rid of that early access problem, and you will be able to easily create your account on BullX with that link. Plus you will get 10% additional rebate on the trading fees. Now once you have successfully created your account on BullX, by default you will be landed on the new pairs page. Now over here, if you want only all those meme coins that are based on Solana network, then first you need to just filter it out. For that, you need to hover over to the chain section, and from here you just have to simply unselect all of the other chains and select only Solana. Afterwards, click on the start trading option, and there you go. Now it is showing all of the new pairs that are currently available on the Solana blockchain. Now on this page, in the top right hand corner of the screen, you can find your positions. You can click on the stars and you can go into your favorite meme coins section. Now over here, if you want to filter them out, then you can even click on the filter option, and from here you just have to enable the best filters as per you, and you can even provide liquidity, volume, market cap, and transaction buys and sells, and click on the apply option. Now based on your filter, it will filter it out all of the meme coins, and it will show you the meme coins that you want to see based on the filters that you have selected. Here you will also be able to see some of the advanced sales option. If you want to know about them, then you can comment that down below. I will create a dedicated video on this topic as well. Here you will see the auto sell option. So if you want to enable this feature, you simply need to click on the enable option, and then you can create a new strategy over here and add it in this section. So this way you can easily find new pairs on the Solana blockchain in BullX. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.